Now, traditionally, assessments with many storage vendors will look at things like latency, IOPS, network throughput, and capacity. And those are traditional storage metrics for assessments. What this assessment is focusing on, we do show some of that, the latency, and we do show latency on ours, but we don't show network throughput, for example. But what we do show is we're focusing more on the data and the files itself. We're putting a personality into the files in looking at the files rather than looking at the problem as a storage problem. We're actually looking at it as a file problem and a way to solve the storage problem by leveraging the metadata of the files. So the metadata that we collect that we can leverage for moving the data to the right place is a lot of different types of metadata. We can look at file types, sizes, departments, growth rates, ages, owners, etc. And by leveraging this unstructured data for the analytics, you can see down below, right now it's we're really demonstrating that we can put data as a focus that they can leverage to increase value and reduce costs over time. And it's not a one and done solution. It'll be a solution that is, we call it a declarative paradigm. You set the rules on the top level and then follow those policies.